Welcome viewers to the video about the Ayyubid state, a pivotal era in the Middle Ages. The Ayyubid dynasty, founded by the legendary Saladin, known in the West as Saladin, left an indelible mark on Islamic and world history. Originating from Kurdish roots, Saladin's rise to power began under the Fatimids in Egypt. With great strategic acumen, he established the Ayyubid dynasty, marking the beginning of a unified rule over Egypt and Syria. The collapse of the Fatimid Caliphate created a power vacuum that Saladin astutely filled, reinforcing his control over a vast territory through a series of military campaigns and political maneuvers. Among his many conquests, the recapture of Jerusalem remains a monumental achievement, symbolizing his efforts to unite Muslims against the Crusaders. Beyond Saladin, the Ayyubid dynasty saw significant figures such as his brother Al-Adil I, who proved to be an efficient administrator of Egypt, and Al-Kamil, renowned for his diplomatic skills, including negotiating the Treaty of Ramla with Richard the Lionheart during the Third Crusade. The reign of Al-Muazzam Turan Shah, though brief and challenging, continued to shape the Ayyubid state. Under Ayyubid rule, the region flourished culturally and intellectually. Architectural marvels sprouted, and scholarship thrived, marking a golden era of cultural achievements. The legacy of Saladin himself became a symbol of unity and resistance against foreign invasions, inspiring generations to come. However, like many great dynasties, the Ayyubids faced decline. Internal strife and external pressures led to the disintegration of their power. The division of territories among various successors further weakened the dynasty, paving the way for the rise of the Mamluks who absorbed the remnants of the Ayyubid domains. In conclusion, the Ayyubid state holds a significant place in Islamic history for its military triumphs, cultural contributions, and durable legacy. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to delve further into this remarkable period.